Here I've mixed some wild clay, scrap clay and commercially bought clay together to create a vase. I've sped up the process so you can watch it take shape. Wild clay is much less predictable than refined clay, which you can see in that slight wobble as I start bringing the walls up. It's challenging to master, but I love a bit of a challenge. Stay until the very end to see the final result. It's definitely worth the wait to see how the different clays marble together to create that swirling finish. Using wild clay that I've collected myself from around Tasmania is one of my favourite parts of pottery. It's not just about the final object, it's about connecting with the landscape where I found the materials. There's more videos on my channel where I use wild clays and mix them together with other clays to make pieces. So if you love the process, why not check them out and subscribe? In fact, I'm currently working on a new series taking you behind the scenes of my wild clay journey. We'll go out into the field and collect raw clay, and then I'll show you my full process for preparing it for the wheel. It's a lot of work, but seeing it go from the ground to a finished pot is incredibly rewarding. I've found that blending it with commercial clay makes it much more reliable for throwing, while still keeping those earthy natural colours I think are so special. But I want to know what you think of the finish. Do you prefer the raw, wild look or something more refined? Let me know in the comments below.